let's take a quick peek at how you would save an Excel document. This is something I'm going to recommend as you go deeper and deeper inside this course and we get into various features and start creating our own workbooks, adding data to it, creating spreadsheets and pivot tables and so on, that you save pretty regularly. You want to make sure that nothing goes wrong, nothing crashes, and you don't want to lose your work. So right off the bat, let's take a look at saving. Really simple. So I don't have any data in here just yet, but we can imagine that, hey, we've now created this super awesome spreadsheet and now I want to save it to my computer or save it out to the network drive, whatever it might be. So inside of Excel, I'm just going to go to my File tab, top of the screen. Inside the File tab, down the left-hand side, you got all sorts of links here, and we're going to talk about several of these as we continue through this course. I've got an option for Save and an option for Save As. Now at this point, because this is a brand new workbook, I haven't saved it before, these two buttons are going to do the exact same thing. I can hit Save. This is going to take me to my Save As command, and in here I can go browse for a location that I want to save this to. Now because this is a Microsoft Office application, I do got locations such as SharePoint. If you do have SharePoint environments, I've got my OneDrive account and I've got other locations. Here, I'm just going to go ahead and say Browse. I'll give that a click. This will open up my folder explorer on my computer or my Save As window. And here I can go navigate my computer. I could save that somewhere on my computer. Here I've got my file name, so I can call it whatever I need to. And I've got my file type. Now, just a quick little bit of information about the file type. Remember, we're working inside of Excel. We have an Excel workbook. You can see here, if I save this right now, I'm going to save an Excel workbook. This receives a .xlsx extension. Okay? That's the file type, the file extension. Now, just as an FYI, Excel also has a few other file types, but another common one is just XLS. When the 2007 edition of the Microsoft Office Suite came out, all of the Office applications, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and so on, they changed the file extensions. So prior to 2007, Excel used to be .xls, an Excel spreadsheet. Now it's a .xlsx. Okay? All the Office applications got an X at the end of it. PPTX for PowerPoint, DOCX for Word, and XLSX for Excel. But there is several other types here. If I go to the Save As type, I can see that there are several different types of documents that I can save this out as, or different types of documents. So that's it. So you go to the File tab. I can hit the arrow here to go back, but I go to the File tab, go down into Save or Save As, and I go browse for the location that I want to save this to. Give it a name, save it, I'm good to go. All right, now later on, after you've saved a document, Save will just override the previous edition, and you get to save your work. If I do a Save As with an existing document, this will allow me to rename the document to something else, and that way I get multiple copies of that one document. All right, again, that's simple. It's just inside the File tab. Go into there, you got your save commands right there. All right, try it out. We haven't really done a whole lot just yet, but this will give you an opportunity to jump into the application, go to File, Save, give it a name, save it on your computer someplace. You could trash it later. We really haven't done anything with it yet, but this is how you would save your document. All right.